welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you all what I got for my birthday. These are all gifts that I got from my family, my friends, from myself, and my husband, and I'm just like super excited because I want to start using my presents. They kind of just been sitting there for the past 2 days and I can't take it anymore. I want to start using them, but I wanted to do this video first so I could share with you what I got. But before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola, and if you love anything that is pink, then go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell so you get notified when new videos are uploaded. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So we're gonna start off, of course, with Victoria's Secret, and can we just take a moment to admire this beautiful pink bag? Like, wow, Victoria's Secret, you're really stepping up your game and making all these beautiful bags. Like, honestly, the bag is everything. It is so pretty. It's so festive, so pink, and the back says pink. So I did get two. I got like a smaller one and then this bigger bag, but I was so excited when I saw that Victoria's Secret came out with these bags. Like, I could not. So pretty. I am obsessed. So now that we got the bag out of the way, let's go ahead and start with what's inside. So the first thing I got, I was so lucky to find this because I was searching everywhere and nobody had this. The girl at Victoria's Secret told me that it came out and literally within like a couple days it sold out and they're not bringing it back, which I don't understand why, but she got one for me. She only had one left and I could not believe it. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, like, I have this. This is the Pink by Pink perfume, and it says it smells like juicy apple, creamy jasmine, and sparkling cedarwood. So I did not try this because there was no tester. This was the last one. So I kind of just bought it like without knowing what it smells like. But I'm really hoping it smells good. Like, this better smell good. And can we just talk about this beautiful packaging? Like, wow, how beautiful. It is so pink and it has like that pink top. This smells so good. It's incredible. I am so glad that I got this. Like, I'm obsessed. So the next thing I got is this gorgeous, beautiful set of body mists, and I actually picked up a couple of these because I'm going to use these as gifts. This is just something that I got like for myself, and then I also picked up some of them for some holiday gifts. So I did get this beautiful set. I picked up 2 of these boxes and they are just beautiful. It does come with the famous popular Love Spell, Pure Seduction, Bare Vanilla, and Velvet Petals, and this was only like $30. So I think it was great. I'm sure it's going to come out on sale, but I wanted to get it just because if you don't get things, sometimes they kind of sell out. So let's see what else. I also got this beautiful bralette. It's more like a bra, but it's also like a bralette. And this came also in like beige and light pink, but I got the black because I think it goes with everything, and it has like little rhinestones. Like, look how beautiful this is, and it's all pink in the back. Like, so pretty. Like, I can't wait to use this. You can actually use this even with like one of those like sheer tops, and it's gonna look so beautiful. So I'm so happy that I got this beautiful bra. Next, I got this beautiful top. So they did have this like gorgeous top that was all mesh and it had like the V and rhinestones, but I was like, I'm not really gonna use that often, so I got this gorgeous, it's like a lingerie. So this is the set I got. It's so beautiful. It has like rhinestone details on the neck, and it has like a bow in the back, so it ties, and it comes with its little like cute little matching panties. And this is so beautiful. It's like light shade of pink, and it's kind of just like open in the front. It's so beautiful. When I saw this, I fell in love with it, so I'm so glad I got this. So from the Windsor store, I got this beautiful jumpsuit. It's all in one, and it has like this beautiful sequin top, and it's all attached. It zippers in the back. It's wide on the bottom. I think it's called like wide legs, but it is beautiful. Like, I can't wait to wear this. And I was thinking of wearing this for like Christmas. So I also got this beautiful set. This is a Steve Madden set, and it has a blush pink hat and a scarf, and it's so soft and it's so pretty. It's literally like that perfect blush shade of pink. It's so pretty, and I'm going to use this here quite a bit because it's quite chilly where I live. I also got a super comfy pillow, and I got this from my friend at work, and it's so freaking cute. It is fluffy, and it's like so soft, and it's the perfect shade of pink. And I've always wanted one of these because I'm always like sitting up and I want to like watch TV or like be on my laptop, and this is literally perfect. It's so pretty, and it even has like a little side pocket, like a little hidden pocket to put the control or your phone. But this is absolutely adorable, and it's so fluffy. I love it. So from my bestie Janine, she sent me a birthday package. She never forgets about my birthday, and I absolutely love her to death. And look at all the amazing goodies she sent me for my birthday / Christmas, and I'm so excited. She packaged everything so beautiful, like individually wrapped, so pretty with gift wrap and all. And of course I opened it because I couldn't wait. Like, I had to open what she sent me. But let's go ahead and get started with the first item. So she did send me this amazing perfume, which she talked about a lot, and it is the Victoria's Secret Tease Cocoa Perfume. And wait till you see the packaging on this beautiful perfume. She did tell me she got one for herself, and I'm so excited. Like, look how beautiful this is. Gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. And it smells incredible, like absolutely amazing. It literally smells so sweet, but it has like a hint of cocoa. It's just amazing. Like, this is probably one of the best scents that I have smelled from Victoria's Secret. If you girls see this, you have to get this. This is amazing, and the packaging is beautiful. Thank you so much, bestie. Janine's literally like my bestest friend, and I love her. The next thing that she also got me is this new palette. This is the Too Faced Pop-Tarts Frosted Strawberry. Like, how cute is this? This is so adorable. Look how cute. This brings me like so many childhood memories. And look at the gorgeous colors. This is so pretty, like amazing. It's so beautiful. I love this like strawberry lava and the sugar coated. Like, oh my goodness, there's so many pinks in here. There's also something else here from Too Faced. This is called the Lip Injection Extreme Long Term Lip Plumper in the shade Bubblegum Yum. All right, I'm excited for this one. It's so pretty. Look at that. Wow. I can't wait to try these out. I love their lip plumpers. They just make your lips look so plump and so pretty. Also in there is a Coconut Craze lip gloss from Victoria's Secret, and these are flavored. Oh my goodness, these are amazing. I have a couple of these, not in this scent, but they are incredible. They're so glossy, and they just make your lips so pretty. And then there's another one here. This one is called the Clean and Fresh Yummy Gloss by CoverGirl. This is really pretty. Like, okay, the shade on this one. Wow, look at that doe foot applicator on this. Oh, this is beautiful. It's very, very nude, but it's so pretty. It's like a beautiful nude color with like a nice shade. So she sent me those. And then, okay, I'm so excited for this one. This is the Paris Hilton 5 Matte Lip Cream Lippies. Like, what? I didn't know she made lip glosses and lipsticks. This is amazing. It's such a beautiful set, and it has 5 gorgeous shades. And look how pretty this is. This is like adorable. Wow, this is so pretty, bestie. And she also sent me 2 of my favorite shampoos and conditioners. This brand I've been using for quite a while, and it's because of my bestie Janine, because she always has talked about them, and I fell in love with this brand a couple years ago when she recommended them, and she sent me the shampoo and conditioner. These are the Cake brand, and they literally smell like cake. You girls need to try these. I am obsessed with this brand. So she got me the shampoo and conditioner from Cake, and also some hair masks from the same brand. These are so good for your hair, especially if your hair is like super dry and brittle. These are like so good. And wait till you see this beautiful nutcracker. Look how beautiful. It's that perfect shade of pink. It's gorgeous, and it has gold on the top. It is absolutely beautiful. You can literally put anything inside. You can put like hand lotion, hand soap. I think I'm going to do hand lotion because I really want to put this in my room. It is so pretty, and it's going to look so cute in my vanity. Thank you so much, bestie. This is absolutely adorable. So these last 2 items are PJs, and I am very excited. I love PJs. Like, who does not love PJs? They're so comfortable. She got me this beautiful PJ set from Juicy Couture. Like, look at this beauty. It is beautiful. It has the words juicy and rhinestones, and it's black, and it has like pink trim, and it comes with the top and the shorts. So pretty. I am obsessed with this beautiful set. And then there's another one in here, and it has the top from Pink Victoria's Secret. So pretty. And then some pants to go with it. Well, not pants, some shorts. Look how cute this is. Absolutely adorable. And it says pink all over, and it has little like Christmas light bulbs. So pretty. Like, bestie, you are the best, and you know I love you so much. I literally have the bestest friends and family, bestest husband, and I'm so excited and so blessed to have all of them in my life. I really hope you loved today's video while I shared everything that I got for my birthday. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!